campaign constrained by budget? Should you increase it? Why not ask your Google rep?
Hello, it's your Google rep calling. I have some great news.
So when does it actually make sense to increase the budget? When your cost conversion is below target, or your conversion value cost is above target? So the really simple rule is that if your conversion KPI is positive, then you can add more budget and scale. The downside, the closer you are to market saturation, i.e. impression share, the bigger the impact on your performance. Conversion volumes will scale, but so will conversion costs. However, you could argue once a business has covered its overheads, then it can afford to pay more per conversion anyway. Don't want to spend more? Try decreasing your bids instead. Lower your target CPA or increase your target ROAS by a little bit. You'll either get more conversions or you'll just spend a little bit less, so it's low risk. But you want to spend more, so how much? Well, start with small increments and then measure week on week. Also take a look at the Google suggestions, but they can be rather lofty, but use them to get a feel of what might happen. You can confirm this by looking at the past 2 weeks of data, segment by day, and then see if your budget is bouncing off or overspending. By how much. That percentage is your increment for your budget increase over the coming week. So if you're going over by 10%, increase your budget 10%. Also, you should avoid changing bid strategies and budgets at the same time. Do one, not the other.